What's up, y'all? I'm Andy. This is Epeiuscustoms Garage. So today I have a commission job to make. I'm excited. This customer asked if I could make a helmet holder for her motorcycle helmets. She showed me the one she wanted, and can you believe is $150 for a plain red oak board and 2 hooks added to it. This was on Etsy, y'all. I want you to watch the video and tell me if you think that was worth $150. Right here, see what it is? You let me know after seeing me make it if you think that was the correct price. I said, hell yeah, I'll make this for a lot less. Not going to say the exact number, but less than $100 for sure. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to like and subscribe. If you want notifications on future videos, then ring that bell. And please leave comments. I love to hear from y'all. Y'all, I only got 100-something subscribers. I can answer comments all day long. I hope you enjoy it.
Alright, if there was any tricky part of this, it was this part, figuring out the spacing, because I don't have a motorcycle helmet. Got some measurements from the customer, and these hooks were specifically designed for motorcycles. So I just took the measurement from the top of the little dome where the inside of the helmet would be setting to the next dome, and I made it about 13 inches. And of course, it worked out great. From there, I just marked my holes and then marked center, and that was it. I've shown this trick before in another video and I love it, so I'm going to show it again. But this is a quick, easy way of finding center. You just simply take your piece of material, you put one corner of your ruler to one side, and then you find an even number. In this case, it was 6 inches. And then I'm going to mark it at the 3, and that is center of your board. Very easy. For real, I love this tape measure. Just sharpen my pencil and move on. Oh, and you can mark little measurements on it. It's awesome. Anyway, laying out the little holes, really easy. I've already marked them. There wasn't much to it. Just mark the holes, and then I'll be ready to drill. And of course, you want to pre-drill your holes for these screws. This is hardwood. You don't want your screws to break off or anything like that. I bought these hooks specifically for motorcycle helmets. The screws that came with it are too long for my material. I don't want to change screws because they match the actual paint color of the hooks. My solution to this is I'm just going to screw them all the way in, cut them off on the back, and cut them flush. After getting all that laid out and I know what my final dimension is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and mark my lumber, and I measured it out. I just took the measurement from the bottom hook to the bottom of the board to where the helmet wouldn't be setting over it, if that makes any sense. Now, as you can see, the beginning of the video, I showed the picture of the one that was like $150 on Etsy. I don't even think it had a profiled edge. I decided to profile my edge. So I'm gonna take a 45-degree bevel router bit, and I'm gonna run it through the router all the way around. That's just me, you don't have to do this, or you could do any profile you like. All right, you know this is your favorite part too, sanding your piece. There's nothing more satisfying than sanding your piece and going from grit to grit, sanding it over and over, isn't it? Really not much to say here other than I'm applying the hooks. I already have the holes drilled. I'm gonna screw the hooks in. That's it. Make sure they're, you know, not wompy jaw as my wife would say. Remember when I told you those screws were a little long? Well, here's how I take them off. I took my 4-inch cutoff wheel, cut them off. Then I took my 4-inch flapper sanding disc, ground them smooth. It didn't take me but 2 or 3 minutes.
See how easy that was? I get you need to make your profit. And on Etsy, there's shipping costs. Oh, and don't think for 1 minute when you see free shipping on Etsy, you're not paying for it. You are, I assure you. I sell on Etsy, I add shipping into my price. Shipping's expensive. I'm not eating that. And I'll tell you, I still did make a profit on this job, but it was nothing more than what it should have been. It's an easy job, simply cutting a board. I routed some edges, I drilled some holes, I put some clear coat on it, and some hooks, that's it. Took me an hour, nothing. Hour and a half, maybe, 2 hours. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, y'all stay safe, have fun, make sure you're having fun. Andy out.